Hello everybody, welcome back to the Model Factory. So it's about time that we give you guys an update on the progress that we've made on the Revell 56 Foose Edition Ford F-100. And so we have been moving right along with this thing. As you can see, we've gotten some paint on the body. We've gotten the chassis pretty much put together. So, you can see we got the wheels on there. Did some painting on the wheels, and the engine is pretty much done other than just being, plugged into the car or the truck. So we went with the green color on this, and it is a kind of a combination or color that I mixed up. We used the Ceramicoat craft paint to do this, and then it has a Krylon gloss clear coat over the craft paint, and so the color is I mixed a green and a black to kind of come up with this darker green, almost like a military green or kind of like a British racing green sort of. And then I found out that the Ceramicoat paint actually has it's like a pearl additive that you can add to their paints. It's clear and it just adds a little bit of like a pearl to them. It's very, very tiny flakes, so it's very much in scale, which is really cool. I did not add as much as I had intended, so it's not quite, the pearl isn't quite as obvious as I wanted it to be, but it's there if you kind of get in close and look. Let me see here. Don't know if that's going to pick it up or not, but anyway, it has a pearl, a very slight pearl in it. So this is just mocked up for now. The body's just sitting on the chassis. Don't have any of the interior done. We have not started working on the wood bed. I'm gonna be working on that as well. For the wheels, so we masked those off and we painted the spokes a gunmetal gray. Thought it looked really nice with a dark green. Complemented it really well. So we're trying to decide if we want to paint the grille and the bumpers the gunmetal gray also, or just leave those chrome. I'm not sure yet on what I'm going to do there, but I'm kind of leaning more towards the gunmetal gray. But I don't know, give me your thoughts. Shoot me some messages down below and give me some thoughts on what you guys think on the grille and bumpers, if they should be gunmetal gray or if they should be chrome. And then of course we've gotten work done on the engine here. So the last time you guys saw it, we had some of the plumbing done. We went ahead and got the distributor. We got the distributor wiring and spark plugs, wiring looms, fuel line, all of that stuff is ran. So this thing is almost ready to be plugged in. We'll be doing a under the magnifying glass video here soon on it, so you guys can see what all of the detail looks like up close. And then that'll get plugged into the chassis. We're going to be working on the interior and some of the other details that will go along there. So that's it, guys. This is a really short video. Just wanted to give you guys an update and let you see what she is looking like right now with a little bit of paint on her. Really happy with the color, really happy with this kit. It's a really cool kit. It's great to build. Everything just seems to go together really well. Beautiful kit. Revell did a good job on this one. So anyway, that's it, guys. If I don't make another video before Thanksgiving, then I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. Many safe travels for everybody that's going out to see family. And if you do get some bench time in, then go for it and enjoy your holiday. So I'll see you all in the next video. Like I always say, eat, sleep, styrene, and I will talk to you all later.